Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I make videos showing you all the things that I do as a stay-at-home mom. I make videos on organizing, cleaning, routines, schedules, cooking, and all things mom life. So if this sounds interesting to you, then I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos. Today's video is 5 super easy organizing projects for beginners. So you might not be an organizing pro, but you want to start organizing your home and you don't know where to start. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. These are 5 super easy organizing ideas for you to get started. Project number 1, declutter your makeup. So a lot of times we buy makeup, we purchase makeup, and we're not getting rid of makeup we're not using, makeup that might be old. Just go through your lip liners, your lipsticks, your blushes, get rid of the things that you're not using, throw away the old makeup, and maybe give some of the good makeup away to your friends and family if you're not using it, but it's still a really good product. Let someone else enjoy it. You could have a pile that you actually throw away because the products are no longer good, and you could have a pile that you're gonna donate. If you have makeup products that are still good, but you're just not using them, then consider giving them to a friend or a family member. That way it's not a waste of money and someone else is getting to enjoy these products. Project number 2, declutter and organize your jewelry. Get rid of earrings that you don't have a pair to. You lost one once and you just still have this other earring. Get rid of the extra earring backings that you don't need. You don't need to collect a whole bunch of ear backings. If you have any good jewelry that you just don't wear anymore, maybe it's not your style, maybe you have 3 necklaces that are similar, but you always gravitate towards that one, then take the other 2 and put it in a donate pile. Give all of your good jewelry that you're no longer wearing to a friend or a family member, and take whatever you're keeping and organize it. I purchased 2 jewelry organizers myself. Here's one, you could hang necklaces on it, you could put bracelets on it. It also has a spot for earrings, and there's space here that I could put rings or whatever I want to put here. And then I got another jewelry organizer just for earrings. So as you can see, I already have 1 pair of earrings on here. It holds many pairs of earrings. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of my jewelry. I'm gonna declutter whatever I'm no longer wanting to wear or use, give those away, and I will be reorganizing all of my jewelry on these beautiful jewelry stands. Project number 3, organize your household toiletries. So all of your shampoo and conditioner, your body wash, your face scrub, your toothpaste, all of the toiletries for your family, don't just shove everything in a cabinet. Organize them. Set them up by product. So line up all of your shampoo and conditioners. Put all of your body washes together. Set like items next to like items, and always have an organized cabinet space so that everybody in your family will know where to go when they need a refill of their shampoo, they need a refill of their conditioner, they need a shower scrubby. They know where to go. Everything is organized and easy to grab. This will also help you to save money. A lot of times we purchase products not knowing that we have them in the cupboard, but they're somewhere hidden behind something else and you don't know you have it. So when you have everything displayed like items next to each other, then you know what you have and you also know what to put on your shopping list. Project number 4, organize your towels. Don't just take your clean towels and shove them into a cupboard. I like to fold all of my towels exactly the same way, and I stack them facing the same direction. This allows for a really pretty presentation when you open the cupboard, and it's really easy to find what you need. Do you need a body towel? Do you need a hand towel? Do you need a washcloth? They're organized neatly and displayed neatly, so you could just grab exactly what you need and not have to shuffle through one towel after the other. And finally, project number 5, organize one kitchen drawer. The kitchen could be a huge overwhelming task because you have tons of drawers, you have cupboards, you have your refrigerator and freezer, you have so many things, dishes, pans, silverware. There's a lot to organize. But if you just pick one drawer and organize it completely, then that will help motivate and inspire you to do another drawer maybe another day, and you just move on until you get your entire kitchen organized. First, you want to declutter that drawer. So I like to take everything out of the drawer and go through each tool. Do I want 5 wooden spoons, or will 2 be okay? Do I want 4 of the same exact spatulas? You don't need all of the utensils that you collect over the years. So just go through everything that you have and keep only the essentials. But declutter everything that you don't need, get rid of it, and then keep the newer items. If you have 5 spatulas and 2 are really, really old and 3 are new, then get rid of the really old ones and look at the 3 new ones and pick 2 of the best out of the 3. And that way, all of your utensils will be your newer utensils and you're getting rid of your older utensils. I would also suggest buying a drawer organizer and neatly placing everything in view. It makes for a really functional drawer if everything has a spot. It's also really easy when in the middle of cooking, you open your drawer and you know exactly what to grab because everything is laid out before you. So those are my 5 super easy organizing projects for beginners. The key to organization and maintaining an organized home is to keep it simple. If you have systems that you create for yourself to organize your house and you keep that system super simple, then it's something that you'll continue, you'll maintain, it will be easy for you to do, and that helps you to maintain organization throughout your house. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do enjoy organizing or cleaning videos, anything mom life, then please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.